Proportion is the equality of two ratios or rates. For example, at a book fair, Akram bought 18 stories at a price of 96 Egyptian pounds for every 3 stories. What is the total amount paid for the 18 stories? In another example, Ahmed and Amal have 2 identical rectangles. Ahmed divides one rectangle into 3 equal parts and colors 2 of them. Amal divides the other rectangle into 6 equal parts and colors 4 of them. In this section, we will explore how to write proportions, either by division, A divided by B equals C divided by D, or by ratio, A to B equals C to D. The product of the extremes equals the product of the means. A multiply D equals B multiply C. This is called the concept of cross multiplication. If they are not equal, this is not proportion. Example. If car travels 80 km per 1 hour and travels 160 km per 2 hours. Is this a proportion? Yes, because the product of the extremes equals the product of the means, which equals 160. Another example. 6 divided by 10, and 10 divided by 25. Is this a proportion? The answer is no, because the product of the extremes equals 150, does not equal the product of the means that equals 100. Example. If 2 divided by 5 equals x divided by 20, what is the value of x? Cross multiplication gives 5x equals 40, which means x equals 8. Another example. If 15% of x equals 20% of y, what is the ratio of x to y? Answer. 15x equals 20y, which means x to y equals 20 to 15 or 4 to 3. Proportionality between two variables can be determined through graphical representation. If the points lie on a straight line that passes through the origin, then the relationship represents a proportion. If the points do not lie on a straight line, or lie on a straight line that does not pass through the origin, then the relationship does not represent a proportion. Using tables, such as for distance and time, data can be analyzed to determine proportionality. Programs like GeoGebra and Excel help in representing data and verifying proportionality. These tools enhance mathematical understanding. Which of the relationships shown in each of the following represents a proportion? Answer. Graph C only. One final example. An object on Earth weighs 90 newtons. If you know that its weight on the moon is 15 newtons, what would be the weight of another object on the moon if its weight on Earth is 60 newtons? The answer, assuming the weight of the other object on the moon is x, is 15 divided by 90, which equals x divided by 60. Therefore, multiplying by x, 90x equals 900, meaning x equals 10.